Hey Silas. Hey Savannah. Hey Scarlett. And hey Quentin. And this is for you. I'm in a Tinky Winky costume, and I'm gonna make myself sneeze during Chhinkni powder. Storm dripping through there earlier, slow movers bringing heavy rain. Good news for them, things are also looking to dry out over the next couple of hours. So if you have any evening plans, I think you're good. Keep the umbrella handy. A spotty shower or two is not out the question this evening. As we enter the overnight hours as well, keeping us pretty dry. Am I buying it? I'm trying to make myself sneeze. I'm trying my sneeze to come. Getting the car washed? No. Okay, I want you to wait. Hold up just a bit longer. Monday, Tuesday looks better. Why even bother if today's doing that weekend? I need some more Chhinkni powder. It's just going to continue more of the same. We're keeping a close eye on let's see. Henri. Have to pronounce that correctly. Tropical storm Henri. We are looking at it, and you know, I'll take my glove off for my mitten. Interesting. New England, I said this earlier, it's been like 30 years since they've actually had a direct hit from a hurricane. And we are looking at a Category 1 possible hurricane making its way towards New England. This track shift, remember, could be anywhere in the cones. So if we have friends and family in the New York tri-state area, that's somewhere to watch for as well. We'll keep a close eye on that. As for us here at home, maybe seeing some higher storm surge along the eastern seaboard, some showers, something to watch for. Right now, temperatures in the low 80s. Temperatures are going to continue to fall overnight into the 70s. So we're relatively mild. Over the weekend, remaining in the 80s. Temperatures are their own story, aren't they? We got this nice, relatively mild weather over the past week, but the 90s are going to be making a comeback. Take a look at that. Or before that, I want to show you the current dew points. It's pretty muggy out there right now. Dew points are in the 60s. These are not temperatures. This is an indicator of how humid it feels. So we're in the 60s and low 70s. It makes for muggy conditions. Quickly looking at your storm team for 10-day, what you can expect is dry conditions after the weekend. More sunshine Monday and Tuesday. And as I stated, the temperatures were headed back to the 90s. All right, Samara, thanks so much. All right, I was need to come. From kickoff between Washington and the Bengals tonight, a game that you can see right here on NBC. Holy moly, guacamole. I'll start with this. I'm very encouraged by that forecast because I the field for the next few hours. I'm glad we should avoid the rain. The field is brand new here at FedEx Field. They resodded and took everything down to the studs, and the field hasn't always performed well. My eyes are bad, so bad. I think it looks great right now considering the downstorms we had earlier. Fans are back. For a long time, I think fans were debating what jersey to buy. The debate is over. I see more 99s in the stands than I have in a long time. Chase Young is clearly the star. Remarkably, this is going to be Ron Rivera's first game as head coach of the Washington football team with thousands and thousands of fans in the stands. I think the fans and the coaches are really going to enjoy. I think I'm all done for now.